If your Amazon Fire Stick is stuck on the Fire TV logo and won't load the home screen, you're not alone. This is one of the most common Fire Stick problems. In this video, we'll quickly explain why this happens and walk through the proven fixes that actually work, starting from the simplest solutions. Let's try to fix this issue. Number 1. Wait for the startup to finish. Sometimes the Fire Stick is not frozen at all. If it is installing an update or repairing system files, it can stay on the logo screen for up to 20 to 25 minutes. Before trying anything else, leave the Fire Stick powered on and connected to the internet for a while to see if it finishes booting on its own. Number 2. Power cycle the Fire Stick. Unplug the Fire Stick from both the HDMI port and the power source. Wait at least 20 to 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Make sure you are using the original Amazon power adapter and cable, plugged directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using the TV's USB port as it can cause repeated boot failures. Number 3. Change HDMI port. A bad HDMI port, splitter, or extender can block proper communication between the Fire Stick and your TV. Plug the Fire Stick directly into a different HDMI port on your TV. If you are using an HDMI extender, remove it and connect the Fire Stick directly to the TV to rule out signal issues. Number 4. Test the Fire Stick on another TV. Connecting the Fire Stick to a different TV helps determine whether the issue is with the Fire Stick or your television. If the Fire Stick boots normally on another TV, the problem is likely related to HDMI compatibility or settings on the original TV rather than the device itself. Number 5. Factory reset the Fire Stick. If nothing else works, a factory reset may be required. Using the Fire TV remote, press and hold the back button and the right directional button at the same time for about 10 seconds. When the reset screen appears, confirm the reset. This will erase all apps and settings, but it often resolves boot loop issues caused by corrupted software. When the Fire Stick cannot be fixed. If the Fire Stick remains stuck on the logo even after a factory reset, the device may have a hardware failure or internal damage. In this case, contacting Amazon Fire TV support is recommended. If the device is still under warranty, Amazon may offer a replacement.